Ref the story of your name. The brief story of my name, according to my mother, it's from my auntie, the older sister of my mother. My mother chose that name for me because my auntie cannot have kids. So, me and my auntie have the same name. Favorite color, sports, and hobbies. My favorite color, sports, and hobbies. From now on, my favorite color is blue because it's a remind of ocean, softness, and sky. And my favorite sports are badminton and billiard. And the last one, my favorite hobbies are reading webtoon, watching anime and movies, and listening music of K-pops. Do you like your name? Why or why not? Yes, I do like my name. Why? Because it's from my auntie. As always, I always treasure my name because it's have a deep meaning from my heart. How do you like your favorite sports or hobbies? My favorite sport is billiard. Why? Because when I was a kid, I always play billiard because we have a billiard business. Before, since 2014. When I grow older, I have interest playing billiard because of my family business. And the best hobby for me was the Blackpink K-pop group. I always listen to their music and dance as well. What do you think about the girls? The way I think the girls, they are all beautiful and a loving person. Some of them are a pure heart. What do you think about the boys? The way I think the boys are hardworking, respectful, and strong. What do you think that girls should do? As a girl, the girls should do are helping their mothers' houseworks and watching their children to be a proper person because the mothers and girls are the light of the world. What do you think that boys should do? The boys should do are lifting the heavy things and they must treat all girls as a queen. And they are the provider of the family. And the some of boys love sports. They like strengthening their own muscles so that they have a good shape of their body. Boys are strong. Why? Because they are not showing their own weaknesses and cannot easily to express their own problems. How society thinks that girls should do. The society thinks that girls should do. They are responsible cleaning their homes like washing plate, washing their clothes, and responsible for their children. And girls should know how to manage their money for their family. How society thinks that boys should do. The society thinks boys should do. They give protection of their family and respect them as always. The boys should be the protector and the pillar of home.